So you heard about AI creating tremendous amount of value, and you are wondering, is it true and how is it working? In this video, I will explain how we generate at least $500,000 a year for our clients using actually an AI agent for pricing. So typically, I'm sure you are having the same problems. When you have a lot of SKUs, when you have complex solution to price, you are either using a third-party software that is very expensive, or you are using Excel. And with the use of Excel, of course, it's a complex workflow. It's creating a lot of complexity and it's taking so much time. So for one of our clients, which had actually a lot of complexity to manage, a lot of SKUs to manage, what we've done, we've created the opportunity for them to not rely on a third-party software. A software in pricing is quickly between $250,000 to $500,000 a year. So what we've done, we've created a custom AI agent that is capable of pricing those SKUs super fast. And when we say super fast, it's a couple of minutes. So how is it working? Our clients actually connected its database with the pricing agent that we embedded directly in their IT infrastructure. So it's connected to the database. We are extracting the information from multiple databases. Could be technical drawings, the price catalog, could be the website, could be the PIM solution. We actually consolidate that into one central location. From there, the AI is actually looking at the data, looking at the trends, looking at the cost, looking at the past prices, summarizing all of this information. By the way, because our clients was expecting from this approach to extract extra information and come up with extra value, meaning now as part of this pricing agent, you have description from a marketing point of view. So if you want to use this description for the website, you have a technical description of each SKU for, when you have to talk, for example, with mechanics or with technical people, you can have a different description. And actually you have kind of like a general description that you can use internally. So by doing a better job at pricing, you can actually doing extra things like those kind of it's a very specific description. So now you have all the information, you have all of the description. The pricing agent is going outside of the IT infrastructure and is scanning the open web to find a lot of information. Different prices, different competitors, analyzing the competitors, if it's really similar, the warranty level, the availability level for a similar SKU, how is it priced, etc., etc. Now it's actually grabbing all of this information and bringing that back into the AI agent. And now it's comparing all of the information from the open web with the information that we collected internally. And that's where the magic is happening. Now the AI agent is able to compare, to do analysis, and to recommend a price based on all of this information. And the output of this kind of AI agent, it's really kind of like a custom price every single SKU. That's where the beauty is. In the past, you needed probably a week or two to collect all of this information and to do all of those analyses. And you had to rely on a third-party software on a very complex Excel file. Now, all of that per SKU is a couple of seconds. So you can imagine in terms of productivity, the huge impact that we've created for our clients. So to summarize, we are using AI to, one, replace existing expensive solution and to create custom bespoke solution, especially around pricing. And the second thing is we are automating most of the different tasks that you needed to take to price properly a SKU. When you combine those two, that's where you can see the value. Savings from the software and actually savings from the productivity gain that you've created by automating all of those tasks. And on top of that, cherry on the cake, it's actually the extra value because now you have more time to dedicate on the strategy that you want to apply from a pure pricing point of view. And that's where you create extra margin for those SKUs. So this is a win-win for everybody, for the company, for the team, and for the shareholders. So I hope this example was really precise on how we create tremendous value using custom bespoke AI agent.